I bless the love, it's Naya Man Bushman, and right now I need you to go to YouTube and log on to DJ Slickid Vlogs. You see, subscribe and do a like and do a invite. You see what I say? Lock it down, it's all about nature and the reality of the world. Keep connected.
See you.
Fire burner we got.
No, Mrs. Dang, I don't want to be after
Like 16, am I? Or 17.
Oh, yeah, I always have your money, man.
Fuck, right.
I haven't got it. And they make you wear a tam.
Some is a most smart, we are over there. You know, to go through all that process. You can't kill me. Everything with the plan, every document,
If it is like I just tell me the time they're not the fast. And they're trying to do the phone. Wait, what?
I would have Emma slapped one with
I know myself. I'm paying more money. If they like give money,
one time
cost
you
them
can't
money.
catch that on camera. Look at it. What's the school would have been so powerful.
Jesus.
I want the girl with the school girl. You see a man shop at
You know, more sitting like that.
What your mother talk for me then?
Mother.
And our mother?
Me say which mother? Which are them mother?
The one that dead.
Never.
She say her daughter not fight the banner man. She dey at school, you know that?
They say I hot. They say I hot the girl, but yeah, fight girl. But that eye girl walk the girl in the shop here.
Which girl?
The one that dead?
Yeah.
Actually walk the girl in the
Yes, I know she walk to her, I girl grab her.
Oh, you video? Oh, you look on this video? You know look on this video?
Yeah, soon but she get up on a walk, but on a machine she a go to. And she never have stop the girl.
When I fight, I feel the tally. Yes, it's the fast and solid. I'm come solid to be dead. I'm making them dead. I wouldn't give me what a problem. You know, man, Mr. Gordon. Yeah, not nonsense. You get a first time up the anger. That's where the guy gets fat. After dead, you're careful. You're dead. I'm going to be better. Even nobody wants to know what you're doing here.
You hear me? Raz Vital, don't. Out there I represent to the fullest for DJS Wicked Vlogs, you know. Real life something done. And the bodies mix them so. Make sure you go over our channel and check out that something there. You don't know. No regrets, not there. Up full, Raz Vital. Hey.